The Great Fire of London was a terrifying event. It was a disaster. Lots of people's homes were burnt down. People were scared because there was no fire brigade to help the fire. The giant flames had to be put out by the people. They threw water from buckets onto the fire. 3 days later, the fire died. It was a great success. To celebrate, a man called Sir Christopher Wren and Dr. Robert Hooke built a tall pillar called the Wren Monument. A monument is a statue that's built to remind people about important events that have happened.